to give some advices for the artists, because this channel is called Learn or Perish with Director Rashid. So there are some artists that I'm going to be talking in English, and also I will mix in my language sona. So I'm going to start with this artist called Sekalas. Sekalas is a very, very good artist. What I want people also close to Sekalas, find him a good songwriter, a ghostwriter, like what Freeman is doing. Freeman is not afraid to tell the world that he has some people who write songs for him, because that's what an artist should do. Because an artist shouldn't focus on writing music all the time, like writing his own music. No. An artist should focus on music, performing the music, and also writing his music. So Sekala is even a good songwriter. That's because currently the artist is losing melodies, the good melodies that he used to have.